my dear Taurians, my Taurus, how you people are doing? It's a mid-August reading for you people, and welcome to my channel, sweethearts. Welcome, and I hope you people are doing great and spreading love. The main motive of our channel is spreading love, and I here believe that love is luxury, and when something is luxury, it is in abundance, it's a comfort, and that is the things that are in abundance, we can share them, okay? We don't have to hanker for them or chase them out. So we need to share love. The main motive of this channel is sharing love and taking care of yourself too, baby. You need to take care of yourself. And Taurus, what I have for you people, yes, of course, welcome to my channel, and I'm your astrologer, Reiki healer, tarot card reader, and cartomancy reader, Sangeeta Kalita. Do follow me in my Insta and DM me, dear, because it's still 15th of August. People from 11 years to 20 years, I will be providing your healing and one card pool, and that is completely free. So reap that benefit out, okay? And I will tap into your reading. Taurus, wait for your channeled message. I know you people love that. Okay, Taurus, let's see. Universe, what is my Taurus channeled message? It's a victory. It's a win-win situation. I think Taurus, this mid-August is bringing you more clarity about the situation, and you people can easily move yourself through a flow. There is a clarity in your mind and heart that everything it's going for its highest good. I think you people were in a energy of chasing, because your last reading, I think it was more in an energy of chasing, but you people have done a great job, and you people are no more chasing, and you people are in an energy of um, you people are evolving. You know that everything is gonna be happen in its divine timing, and you people are evolving. Yes, that's a great thing, because you are moving through your purpose of life, and that is the reason divine. Oh my god, sweethearts, let me show you this. I have to. What I told you, as you people are moving towards your purpose of life, divine is gonna make balance itself, because people, I somewhere felt so angelic vibes around. I think you people are feeling very positive and happy, because there is angels around you. There is an angelic vibe around you, and you people are evolving. I'm so happy for you, my Taurus. Okay, divine is like, it's a divine itself making your path. That's literally awesome. I'm so happy for whenever I get a good reading, sweethearts. I literally feel happy for you people. I literally feel so. But I told you, there is a new beginning, definitely. Your finances are gonna uplift. Definitely you gonna get some successful news in your financial care, in your finances, in your career. If you are a trader, then definitely your trades are being more used by the community, because because I have a view of a Mercury, that green, and green sometimes tells me that there is a very easy flow of trades. Actually, the item you are dealing, the goods you are dealing, I feel sometimes it's a easy, whatever you sell, the somebody sells a concept, somebody sells goods, somebody sells education, whatever it is, there's a good what to say, I'm not getting the exact word, it's like good trading, there's a good exchange of energy, and you're gonna meet more serious people in your career option. Yes, you're gonna meet some more serious people. Okay, wow, wow, wow. Oh my god, sweethearts, I have a good news here. A love offer is also there. What you need more? Do you need any more reading? Are you kidding here? Sweethearts, you have a love offer too coming in your life. Oh my god, that's great. I don't know, it went so positive. See, the ace of what I told you, the truths are gonna unfold itself in its divine timing, because it's angels that wanna help you. It's divine who is gonna help you. It's nobody, it's not a random human being coming from anywhere, and they can do anything. It's only divine planning going on here. That's a clear truth. That's everything is unfolding in front of you. Oh my god, that's beautiful, Taurus. How many times? Page of Pentacles. Definitely there is a good communication. Definitely you people are in a field of communication where you need to communicate, and before 15th of August there was literally a problem in communication. I remember your last reading, there was problem and you people were in a very congested energy, but oh my god, you did your job. I'm so proud of you people. I'm so proud of you. I love you people. I don't know. It's like it's my heart is saying I should say you, that I should praise you. It's divine is stating that Taurians should be praised. They did a wonderful job. They did a wonderful job. Oh my god, honey. Oh my god, honey. You got them. The masculine power of your connection is awakened, and they are coming to get the queen. The king here is ready to take his queen. There is a celebration, there is a marriage, there is romance, there is datings, active datings, like active datings are the datings where we are, sure about the person, and there are active datings. Somebody very, very true, a person who is coming towards you, it's very true. Oh my god, what else you need, Taurus? What else? See, honey, this is not a making. Cards are being shuffled and brought in front of you. No more, no more, no more. No more of this energy. I know you went through a very tough timing, but you never saw that there are two cups for you already stand for the divine, and you were looking after these cups, and this were not for you, sweetheart. These cups are for you. It's this cup for you, and you were missing that. Where are my cups? Where are my cups? Where is my love? Where is my happiness? You were in that position and you were so upset. But divine is telling no more, sweethearts. We have kept it for you very safe and secure. Come out from this energy, sweethearts. Come out. Meditate, meditate. Be in a state of just surrender yourself. Sometimes, you need not control certain situation when you have divine standing in front of you. Surrendering is the best policy sometimes. When you don't get anything, surrender. That's my favorite. I always do this. I just surrender. When I don't understand, I surrender. Oh, this emperor is like jumping in. They have a love, they have passion, they wanna be yours, they wanna win you. Because no more waiting is here, sweethearts. They are not taking any chance. They just they just want their queen. This masculine energy here is completely awakened, okay? I'm not gonna take so many cards, sweetheart. I will just take 1 or 2 cards. This masculine here is awakened, okay? This masculine here is awakened. And that's a good news, actually. Oh, man. I'm not gonna take them. There are too many. Oh. What? Taurus, speak up. What is going on? Give me only 2 cards, Spirit. I know my Taurus are so excited. Okay, honey. I got them. We have the Queen of Cups and the Ten of Cups. The complete wish fulfillment, the complete family in a normal tarot deck. Ten of Cups, it's a complete family. Queen of Cups, definitely the Queen is ready. The King is ready here. So let's get married, honey. So, do you want something more, Taurians? Do you want? I don't think you want something more. Let's see what universe wanna tell you, okay? Let's see. I'm so happy for you people. Let's see. Okay, we have this. Universe, give me 2 more messages. Okay, this and this. Okay, thank you. Okay, I will have 1 more. Okay, we had it. We are by your side. Don't be afraid, my child. This is angels. Oh my God. We are by your side. Don't be afraid, my child. I got the goosebumps right now, sweetheart. What to tell you? We are listening your prayers. Oh my God. We are listening your prayers. Serve the society. Okay, here is a message for you people. Taurians, you people should perform some kind of charity, or you need to help people, especially the society and peoples. Okay, Taurians, do that. You will feel very good. Water. So water here is playing an important. Water, it means purification, detoxification. Drink lots of water. Check out your emotions. Don't get in this emotion. And spend some time near the water bodies. Okay, I think that will help you out. You are strong, you are a fighter, definitely. This king and queen we have here, they are fighters. Okay, let's see some messages from your person. Okay, let's see some messages from what your person wanna tell you. What you wanna tell to your Taurians person? Universe, what message my... Okay, let's see what they wanna tell you. Okay, let's see. I don't wanna lose you. Please don't go. Okay, please don't go, my dear Taurians. You are right. That means I think this is the person, somebody from a past, that you said something and they didn't believe it, and now they are saying that you were right. Okay, I am sorry. Okay, they are sorry because they didn't listen to you. Okay, give me last chance, please come to me. Okay, this is a message coming from somebody separated. Okay, this person is coming. That is the reason we have this coming card. Okay, we action card. Okay, this person is coming. Okay, separation is so painful, so somebody from past is saying you, can you start again, Taurians? You gonna give them one more chance? You should maintain healthy boundaries. Yes, this is very important, Taurians. Maintain healthy boundaries, take care of yourself and your self-worth, because you are not free for everyone, your love is not free for everyone. So healthy boundaries are very important in a relationship, Taurians. So I hope you like this reading, and like, share and subscribe my channel. Wait for your next reading. Till then, stay tuned and love you all. Bye bye.